listen to me. You will leave my house this moment. Look at the condition you put my son into.
Papa, it's not my fault. I am not going anywhere. Yes, I am pregnant for your son and he can't even deny it. Yes, Ojuku.
Ojuku, good. You are the one responsible for this. If you know exactly where you take this girl to, now move with her. Because I don't want to see this girl in this house. I am not happy with her.
Papa, this is not what you should be saying by now. This is not what you should be saying. Eh? Pregnancy is pregnancy. Your son is your son. Am I not your son? Eh? She is she. You are you. Are you not Papa again? Please, problem Adigo no Adigo. Let's see how
Will you shut up?
Going to settle it.
What do you mean problem Adigo no Adigo? You created the problem for yourself. So you bear it. I don't want to hear problem Adigo no Adigo. Are you hearing me?
Papa is okay. Just calm down. Oh, she's carrying your grandchild. Me myself, I'm not happy with her.
Okay.
But because of Ojuku.
Okay. How are we sure that this pregnancy is truly his?
I will find out.
We will find out.
Yes.
Oh.
Papa, it's me that will talk. It's me that will talk.
Huh?
Is it not my own?
Ojuku, please, I'm very thirsty.
Oh.
My throat is dry. Get me the drinking water I've been asking.
Is it water that will impregnate you? Talk
no,
now.
You want me to faint now?
Talk
Where is the water?
Talk now when it's necessary. Is it my own?
I am thirsty, Ojuku.
Can you stop talking?
Thirsty will give you pregnancy.
Somebody property. You say someone say now your own. Somebody husband. You carry him say now your own. And the talk you the fight. You say now your own property. When trouble go come, make you go run. Wait till you go see Bahala, you go see no trouble you go see Bahala, you go see when you go chase another woman, Bahala, wait till you go see the fighting every day. Bahala, you go see Che, idikwandi koko. Yeah, ikelajinume. Cause now so fighting go they come over your way. Every day now every day now Chachai, brother, sister, again dinner piano. Mama, papa, again dinner piano. Somebody property. You see someone say now your own. Somebody husband. You carry on say now your own. And the talk with the fight. You say now your own property. When trouble go come, make you go run. Wait till you go see Bahala, you go see no trouble you go see Bahala, you go see when you can chase another woman, what do you go see? The fighting every day. I see. Che, idikwandi koko. Yeah, ikelajinume. Cause now so fighting go they come over your way.
Didn't the person know that he's parking in the middle of the road and even blocking my gate? Which guy parking with this one?
Chachai, brother, sister, again dinner piano. Mama, papa, again dinner piano.
It's me, J-Boy. Asanwa, is this you?
J-Boy.
Yeah, it's me. How are you? And where is your sister?
What are you doing here? What are you doing in my house? Don't tell me to calm down. I am not able to hear anything from you. Now leave my house. Leave my house!
My love, please. Relax. Calm down and hear me first. You don't know why I'm here.
You don't want to go?
Relax, please, my
love. Don't you dare touch me.
Asanwa, it's me,
leave my house.
Please, my love.
J-Boy, you!
I'm sorry.
J-Boy!
I'm sorry for everything. I understand. Please, Let's go inside and talk. Hear me first. Huh? My love, please.
Don't touch me. You need a quick point to the marker.
Pick up. Let's go in.
I don't know why you're being moody. You should be happy. Why are you being sad?
Brother, how is he? Brother, I'm talking to you.
Leave him. Maybe the boy is dead.
Aku, please, don't talk like that. That boy is an innocent child, and he did not bring himself into this world.
My child, uncle, was she guilty? Is that what you're saying? Was my daughter guilty? Was she guilty? Don't get me angry. Don't get me angry, Ijoma.
Aku, that is not what I'm trying to say.
What are you now saying?
Let's put an end to this fight. Since we've all found out that what brother treasures most is that boy, let's allow him care for him. Biko.
Is that what you're saying? Ijoma kid. So, you are no longer with me in this fight. Listen, if you have made up your mind to be against me, write me a letter, Biko. Write me a letter.
This is very urgent to me. If there's a way you can help me, just send the money, please. Okay, now, please. Please. Oh, please.
Brother, how is Paul?
Okay, please now, Thank you very much.
Anai, is that money you're holding?
Brother, how is he?
If I find out that you have a hand in this, I promise you, I will kill you. I will kill you.
Is that not the money you realized from the land you sold for Mama's burial? Ijoma,
don't touch me.
Talk to your brother. It will be very, very shameful for you not to give her a befitting burial. Brother.
The boy will not survive it. You're talking of someone's life. You're busy talking of money.
You will not survive it, I know.
Oh my God is fighting my battle. And he will not stop until he finishes it. What kind of a person are you?
I thought you were with me.
We are talking of someone dying and you're busy talking of money. I am not a chameleon. I am not.
Because Mama is no longer alive. That is it. But don't worry. With or without you, I will win this war. Nonsense.
I know why I'm saying this thing. Linda. I don't have money for now.
Ojuku, you lie. You better go and look for money. Yes. I have come to stay here with you. Never to go anywhere. Never to leave your sight again. Enolia? See, if it's sand that you are eating, I will join you and eat the sand together. Yes.
Oh, what have I done? Huh? Why are you doing this thing?
Ojuku, Chalo, what do you mean by why am I doing this thing? No, why are you trying to put this whole thing on me? You and I plan together to put this baby on your brother and the wife. You and I was caught in the act together. So why am I being punished alone when we both committed it together? Ojuku, see, I don't know what your plan is. In case you don't have plan, you better start making plans. Because we are here, we are together in this thing. Yes. And as for this child, I will have it in this village and we not sit here. So I don't know what you're talking about though. Where you go, I will go. Where you die, I shall die. Forever.
I'm not dying this time. I'm not dying this week. You have to postpone your dying.
It's for you to start making plans. Start making plans.
See, don't do this thing. Don't do this thing. Hi, Ojuku Banyego. Which kind of problem is this?
Or you could start making plans.
I can fall down and die here.
You will not die, you. Just make plans for this.
If I die, you will suffer.
Nobody is killing you.
Don't make me to die, you.
Nobody is going to kill you. What I'm saying is that you make plans for this baby.
I can fall down and die now.
Thank you so much, J-Boy. Thank you. Thank you for saving my boy's life. God bless you.
It's okay, my love. I'm happy now you are giving me a listening ear.
It's okay, I understand now. But I'm just saying that you'd have at least sent me a message. Or on the phone, at least solo me. Because I'm sure that white woman, she won't be able to hear anything you say in Igbo language. But you just abandon us just like that. It's not nice now.
It is not awkward to me to use Igbo. But don't worry, my love. Now that I'm back to base in Nigeria, the money that I have made will be enough for you and I forever. I promise you, you will not suffer again.
Which one is you and I?
Mona,
you and I?
Yes.
Yes. Chiboy, am I?
I was able to get some money.
There wouldn't be any need for that. Meet J-Boy.
J-Boy?
Yeah,
hey, J-Boy. Hey, thank you very much. God bless you. You paid for everything. Thank you. When did you come back?
Today.
Today?
Yes.
Child. How that side now?
Everywhere good.
No, it's obvious now, I can see. Child. So when are you going back?
MSC.
Thank you very much. Okay. Let me quickly see my son inside.
Okay.
Wait. Thank you very much.
Sorry. Sorry. Just calm down, please. Sorry.
Please.
Sorry.
Help me.
Sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
My leg.
Sorry. Sorry.
You want to go to the toilet in public?
I think the baby's coming out.
Like this? Outside here?
Sorry.
What? Want to strangle me?
Sorry.
What do we do now? What do we do?
Just call anything, bike, anything. I'm going to take her to the hospital now. Sorry.
She's holding me. Can you move?
Hand and go.
Can you move?
Go.
Go call the bike now.
Go.
Sit down.
Go now, you're wasting time.
Which type of bike? Sorry. Which type of bike?
Anything, Okada or Keke, anything. Sorry. Let me rub your waist. Sorry.
Yes.
Pardon, J-Boy, what are you saying? No, what nonsense are you saying? Are you normal?
What do you mean? I don't get it. What do you mean? Didn't you know that Asanwa here and I were in love? Listen, for your information, I am here to take her and her sister back to the city. She's going to be my wife.
Didn't you know, beginning? Come, don't allow the devil to use you. I'm warning you. Don't allow the devil to use. What nonsense are you? Now, can you hear what this guy is saying? Asanwa, did I tell you that I'm going to marry you? This guy cannot take my son away now.
No, please. I know it's your son that you want. Please do me a favor. I'm tired. Just go back to your wife and stay with her. As for your son, I will give you your son. But tell Akudo, if Akudo touches my even one scratch, I'm going to be 9 months. Take care of my son for me, that's all.
For this thing, we are done with it.
Asanwa, why
don't that's the only
I love you. I love you. Don't do this.
Did you hear what you said? No one is talking about your son here. We are talking about, this is the love of my life. She is my treasure. Please.
It is show no nyori as America nota.
Not in my house.
Are you normal?
I will lock you up.
You lock who up?
Nobody's locking you.
Asanwa, Biko.
I said I will give you your son now. Go now. Leave me. I want to get. Won't I get married?
Confess. Let's take one on.
No, we're not talking. We're not talking about anything.
Use the gate. I said you should use the gate.
I'm talking.
If you try me, you will sleep in cell. You won't do anything.
Hey, no, listen to my face.
Hey! Hey!
Yes, I'm 2 weeks pregnant.
Are you serious? Hey! 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 Oh God, thank you. Thank you, Jesus. God, thank you for everything. Hey! I'm gonna throw a party. I'll buy 3 cows. I will kill the 3 cows once.
3 cows?
Yes, 3 cows. I will buy you Prado, 2020 Prado. And I will crest your name, customized. I love Gloria. Hey! God!
Madam, I beg no vex. Madam sister, she did forget.
Hey, open the door! Open the gate! I have forgiven and no. And let her come and forgive. Let her forgive me. Yes! Let her come in. Let her come in. Let her come. She should come in. Yes, she should come in. Hey! Hey! I'm the father. Yes!
Everybody, what is going on here?
I'm pregnant.
It's a lie! It's a lie! Hey! Oh God! Hey!
God will punish you. God will punish you for lying to me to maltreat my wife.
Yes.
God will punish you. Oh, the Lord has done from you.
Ijoma, leave me alone. I want to go. What is it? You don't want me in this house anymore. Why are you stopping me?
I want you.
You don't want me. Let me go.
You want to leave me. Please,
Ijoma, leave me alone. Ijoma, I don't want to stay. Ijoma, leave me.
Please, don't leave me alone. Don't leave me. Please, talk to her. Biko, no.
Ijoma.
Biko, no. Please. Biko.
Please. 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 Hey, Ako, Biko. I'm sorry. I've been responsible since we got married. Since we've been living in the city. Have you heard anything concerning cheating? It's when we came back here, I was just, will I say, deceived. That stupid Ojuku is always telling me do this, do that, but it's not an excuse to cheat, please. And then Biko. There's nothing like Asanwa again. Asanwa is gone for good. She promised to give me back my son Paul. Please. And then Biko. I love you. You know that I love you. It's just because of Biko. No excuse, but just forgive me, please. I can't let you go. Biko, please.
It's okay. I'm also sorry. I'm sorry for the manner in which I've been talking to you lately. I was just trying to fight for my rights, to fight for my own. I couldn't watch another woman take you away from me. I lost my child. I still stayed because of how much I love you. I lost Mama, I lost everything. I still endured. Just because of love.
Don't worry. You can bring Paul to live with us. I promise to treat him as my own.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, Papa! Hey, I'm finished. I'm finished, oh! Hey, let me die. Papa, bring my cat and kill me, let me die, oh! Hey! Hey! Let me die. Let me die, oh! What is it? I want to commit suicide and die. Did you fight with a lawyer? Hey, has your wife put to bed? I'm dead, oh! I will go inside. I will go inside. What is the problem? Did you fight with Anna? Has your wife put to bed? Nobody, you want to kill yourself because punish you. God has punished me. You see this God? I will not take it from you. You punish me like this. I will go inside now.
But just say something now. Stop shouting.
God has been my friend. He punished me today. I will not take it. Papa, my wife gave birth to 3 children. At a go.
But that is good news. I'm so happy for you.
Get out. What is good news? Okay.
And triplets, that's not good news.
A woman give birth to 3 children at a go, and you are calling it good news. What if she give birth again? It will become another 3 children. It becomes 6.
Are you seeing good news now?
Papa, I will not take this. I will not take it. No. I will kill myself and die. Look at what this. No. I said that you are not with your senses. How can God give you a gift of 3 children and you said God has punished you? In fact, I have never rated you to be any person reasonable. How can you be talking something before? Papa, don't say this. Papa, let me tell you. I will kill myself and run away. You see? I will kill myself. I will not take it. Let us go inside. 3 children and they go. Yes. Leave me.
Ojuku is a chameleon. Ojuku is a chameleon. This is in support of everything and against everything. Ojuku is a chameleon. Joy, Ojuku is a deceiver. He can only support you for your face, for your back. He could change you. Be careful the type of friends you dey listen to. Cheche, some are chameleon, no kumaka. They will deceive you and still link up with your enemies. So, indeed, okay, zero kumaka friends. So, Ojuku is a chameleon. Ojuku is a chameleon. This is in support of everything and against everything. Ojuku is a chameleon. Joy,